Jai Hind students, this is your online computer class. What we have done in last class? Microsoft logo, chapter 5 from your course book, Microsoft logo. We have done the basic commands, that is FD for forward, then VK for backward, LT and RT for right turn and left turn, then home command. All these we have done in last class, and practicals also. We will do more practice on basic figures, but before that I want to continue with some more interesting commands, that is repeat command and then print. So in today's class we will do the repeat command. First we will revise the basic commands, then we will continue repeat command and practicals of it. So be attentive and let's start our class. Microsoft logo. Microsoft logo. Topics that we are going to cover in this class: we'll do short revision of logo basic, then revision of logo commands, then we will use repeat commands, then we will draw different figures like triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon or circle using repeat command. This is a new concept, repeat command, and we will do practical based on repeat command. Okay, just do a short recap. What is logo? Logo is a computer programming language. What is logo? Logo is a computer programming language. You know, computer is a hardware device. Then how can it work? So we have to give instruction to the computer, and that instruction should be given in a programming language, and we have different languages for it. So logo is one of them. Logo is a computer language used to give instruction to the computer. Okay, in it we draw the figures, where it is a very simple language using English words, and the instruction that we give in logo is called primitives. Primitive is nothing but the logo command. See, this is the turtle. I told you in previous class, this is the turtle. It draw the lines. It can move in forward direction, backward direction, in left or in right. Okay, now how to start logo? You know very well, as you are starting any other program, go to start, then all programs, then Microsoft window logo. Okay, I am going little bit fast because these are already done in last two classes. Okay, it's just a recap to connect you from the previous class. Okay, now this is the logo screen. The upper portion is called main window and lower portion is called commander window. Upper portion will show the output and lower portion will show the it has recall list box and command input box. Recall list box has all the executed command, list of all the executed command. जो भी command हम execute करा चुके हैं उसकी list कहाँ होगी? In recall list box में. And command input box, this is the most important part of the logo command, because we are entering our command here. Logo command, or we can say logo primitive, we are entering here. Okay, next is how to close logo. This you also know. Just remember, this is the right side. At the upper portion there is a cross, just click on it and the logo is closed. And one more, the fantastic way, as you are, and now you are logo programmer, how can you close the logo window? Yes, just type by type करेंगे कहाँ? In the input box, command input box में we type by, BYE by, and just execute it, and logo screen will close. This is the programmer type of closing logo. Okay, Now the basic commands that I am going to revise. FD means forward. FD space number of steps. The turtle move forward by the given number of space. BK stands for backward. It will move turtle back. RT, it turns right side to given number of turns. LT, it turns towards the left side by given number of turns. Now home, the turtle come back to its starting position. The turtle disappears. Home command is used to bring turtle back to its starting position. जहाँ से शुरू किया था वहीं वापस ले आता है. And HT command, turtle, it will disappear the turtle from the screen. If once you disappear the turtle and you want to bring back turtle, you use ST command, show turtle. ST command, show turtle, it will reappears the turtle on the screen. Then CS clears the screen. CS command will clear the screen. Okay, and CT clear the text. Okay, now PU command is pen up. Suppose you want to draw discontinuous line. Okay, so for that you run PU command. PU command will lift the pen up, and then if you use forward command or backward command, turtle will not draw any line, but it can move. Turtle will move forward or backward according to your instruction, but it will not draw any line. Okay, PD, again you want the turtle to draw the line. After executing PU, then you will use PD. PD will make the turtle pen down. Okay, now the turtle pen became eraser by using pen erase command. Okay, the last is once you have made the eraser command, then again you want to make it normal, then use PPT. Okay, now this is the important command that I want to remind you. If you want to change the pen size or screen color or fill color, you will go to the set. The first one is pen size. Pen size will change the size of the pen. Okay, now today's topic is repeat command. Just see. The following commands are given to draw a square. Okay, in last class we have seen to draw a square. Which commands we are going to use? We have FD 100. First we will move turtle in forward direction like this, and then it will move at 90-degree angle like this, and then again forward, then again 90-degree, then again forward, then again 90-degree. In this way we can make a square. We can draw a square by repeating the same command 4 times. Okay, we are repeating same command. Which commands? FD 100 and RT 90. These two commands we are repeating 4 times. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Same command को 4 time repeat कर रहे हैं. Now, अब this is the repetition of the code. Okay, so one more easier way we have, that is repeat command. Now see, what is repeat command? When actions are to be repeated while drawing pictures, repeat primitive can be used to avoid repetitive work. Okay, when actions to be repeated means जब कोई भी action हमें repeat करना है, तो then we will use repeat primitive, means repeat command, and it is used to avoid repetitive work. मतलब same work को बार बार करने से हम बच जाएंगे. कैसे? I will show you. Repeat command will repeat the set of commands for the given number of times. Okay, जितने number of times हम चाहें उतने number of times repeat करा सकते हैं. Okay, now see. In the above example, see here FD 100 and RT 90. We are repeating 4 times. Okay, now I am going to draw the square using repeat command. For that, see, we are repeating FD100 and RT90 how many times? 4 times. So I will write repeat in capital letter. This should be must. REPEAT, repeat, then space. How many times we are repeating? 4 times. And which commands I am repeating? FD100 and RT90. This command will repeat the set of commands 4 times and will draw a square for you. Just see. Just a single line instead of writing 8 lines. Instead of writing 8 lines of command, just writing single line and square is there. This is the use of repeat command. एक बार फिर से देखो, स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करने के लिए we have FD100, RT90 and same command are used 4 times. Same commands are repeated 4 times. Now see, now I am using repeat command. Repeat command will repeat the same command FD100 and RT90 how many times? 4 times, and it will draw you square for you. Okay. Now next, now the repeat command look like repeat number set of commands. Means here we write, first we write repeat keyword in capital letters, then number of times you want to repeat, and then set of commands, the commands that you want to repeat. Okay, always remember this syntax: repeat, number, how many times you want to repeat, that is, and this is that number, and then set of commands, mean which command you want to repeat. The set of command should always be enclosed within the square brackets. Okay, now see, by using the repeat command we can draw different figures giving the number of sides of that figure. हमें दो चीज देनी होती है, one is number of sides and the command that will be repeated to make that figure. Okay, we need two things, one is number of sides and which command that we want to repeat. Now in square we know RT90. अब we have more figures. How can we know कि कितने डिग्री पे हम टर्न कराएंगे? तो for that we have this formula. Means RT how command कितने डिग्री पे टर्न करेगा RT command? तो for that we have this formula, 360 divided by number of sides. Okay, always remember this. I will show you the example. Square को देख लो. Square has 4 sides, तो 360 divided by 4 means 90. So here we are writing RT90. Okay, this is RT90. So how we can get 360 divided by 4 means 4 is the number of times you are going to repeat. Here we have 4 sides, square has 4 sides, so we are repeating 4 times. So which angle we will take? 360 divided by number of sides, yani 360 divided by 4. So we get 90. Okay, in the same way we will proceed for the more figure. Now next we have triangle. So for triangle we have the following commands: FD100, RT120. Means a turtle will move 100 steps forward and then take a right turn at 120 degree. These two commands are repeating 3 times. कितने times repeat हो रही है? 3 times, because triangle has 3 sides. Okay, now again we are going to draw triangle using repeat command. So how we will write? Repeat, number of sides, that is 3, then the command that should be repeated. So FD100 and RT120. 120 how it come? 360 divided by 3. Okay, again which command we are repeating? FD100, RT20. How many times? 3 times. So now if you are drawing the triangle without using repeat command, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of code, and using repeat commands we have only 1 line of code. Okay, now next, see, just a single command and your triangle is here. Okay, triangle is drawn using repeat command. Similarly, we can draw other figures also like hexagon, pentagon and octagon. Okay, now hexagon has 6 sides and pentagon 5, octagon 8. So for hexagon we will take 360 divided by 6, pentagon 360 divided by 5, octagon 360 divided by 8. Now see, for pentagon, this is the pentagon having 5 sides, so we will write how many times it repeat? 5 times. But first we will write repeat. Repeat is a command, then number of sides, that is 5, and after that which command we are going to repeat? FD50, you can write FD100, FD200, whatever you want. But this is important, RT should be fixed if you are drawing pentagon, that is 360 divided by number of sides, that is 5. Okay, next hexagon. For hexagon we have 6 sides, the repeat command, that how many times it is going to repeat? 6. And which command going to repeat? FD50, you can write FD100, 200, okay, then RT 360 divided by 60. Okay, so what angle should be there? 60. Okay, 360 divided by 6, it is 60. Okay, now next is octagon. Octagon is having 8 sides, so FD 50, RT 360 divided by 8. Okay, for in forward direction it is 50, then what will be the angle? 360 divided by 8. Okay, because it has 8 sides. Okay, in this way you can draw pentagon, it is having 5 sides, and then hexagon having 6 sides, and octagon having 8 sides. Okay, all these are given in your book, don't worry, I will also provide you. Now using this concept we will also use we can also draw circle. Okay, how? See, which command we are going to repeat, how many and how many times? Now we assume it has, as the circle has no sides, but we assume it has 360 degree angle na, so we assume it has 360 times the same commands we are going to repeat. So repeat के बाद how many times? 360, and then FD1 and RT1. How RT1? Because you will write here 360 divided by number of lines, number of sides. So here 360 divided by 360, you will get 1. So it is 1. Okay. So FD1, RT1, FD1, RT1. This should be repeated 360 times, and you will get a circle. In the same way, if you want semicircle, then what should you do? Then you should repeat the commands. Semicircle means half of the circle. Then you should repeat the command 360 divided by 2. That is 180 degree. Now see, this is 180 degree. So to draw semicircle, we write repeat. How many times? 180 degree, and the same command FD1, RT1, FD1, RT1. Same command is repeating 180 times, then you will get semicircle. Okay, one more figure is, you will find little bit difficult this, but this is nothing. This is the example of nested repeat, means repeat inside the repeat. Okay, see, this is the triangle. Okay, these are the 3 triangles, and you are drawing a triangle using this command, repeat 4, FD40, RT90, FD40, RT90. This is the command, FD40, RT90. Okay, means forward direction, then 90 degree. The same command is repeating 4 times and making a square. Now how many squares are there? 3 squares. तो इस कमांड को हम कितनी बार रिपीट करेंगे? For 3 squares 3 times. Also why it is written? Because this is the gap between these squares. तो what is repeated? PU means pen up. कितनी देर के लिए? FD 60 then PD pen down. Okay. दोबारा से देखना. To creating these gap. Okay. What we will do? We will execute PU means pen up then FD 60 means 60 steps का gap लिया and then again you have put the pen down PD. Okay. So these commands has been repeated how many times? 3 times because we are making 3 squares. If you want to make it 4, you just write it 4 here. You want to make it 5, you just write 5 here. Okay. Now see, these type of repeat commands are called nested repeat. Okay student, let's start our practicals. Before going to draw any figure, first set the pen size. For that, go to set menu and then choose pen size. Choose this one and click on OK. Now we will start with the FD command. FD is used to move forward. For that, FD space 50, it will move 50 steps forward. Okay. To move right side, to turn right side, RT space 90 or any other angle if you want to give, you can write. Okay. RT 90. Then again FD 200. Okay. Then LT is the command to turn left side. LT suppose 120. Okay. Now home command bring the turtle at its starting position. So here we will write home, HOME home and C. It comes at the starting position. Okay. So in this way you can make different figures, or you can if you want to try, you can make alphabets. Try to make alphabets using logo commands. Okay. Now CS, clear screen, and CT. Pen down and pen up we had already done in last class. Now I am going to start repeat command. So first I am going to draw the square. For square without using repeat command, and then we will draw the square using repeat command. So for square we have FD space 100 and then RT space 90. Again for next side, FD space 100 and RT space 90. FD space 100 and RT space 90. And then FD space 100. Now this is the square. Okay. Using simple commands. Okay. Now I am going to you are just seeing first, see which command we are repeating again and again. FD 100 and RT 90 means to move forward and to turn 90 degree. Okay. Now I am going to draw this triangle using repeat command. So first CS and then CT to clear the list. Now for repeat command, first we have to write repeat word. REPEAT, repeat, then space, then what you have to write? The number of sides, that in square, that is 4, and then square bracket, and then you have to write the command which you want to repeat, that is FD 100 space RT 90, and then close the square bracket and just click on execute. Okay, got it? In a single line you will get the square. Okay. Now in the same way we will do the we will make the triangle CS and CT. For triangle we have FD space 100 then RT space 120. Okay. Then again FD space 100 and RT space 120. Okay. And then again FD space 100. See. this much command we have to execute to draw a triangle. FD100, RT120, FD100, RT120, FD100. Okay. Now just clear the screen and CS and CT. Now we are going to make the triangle using repeat command. For that, REPEAT, repeat. Then triangle has how many sides? 3. So we will write here 3. Then opening square bracket, and then you have to write the command that you want to repeat. So what are that command? FD100, or if you want to make the bigger triangle, write FD200, and then either you can take left turn or right turn. So take any RT space 120 and then close the bracket. Okay. And now click on execute. Got it? This is the triangle that you have made using repeat command. Repeat, the number of side, that is 3, then FD 200, this is the side of the triangle, 200 steps, and RT 120. Okay. Now clear the screen, CS and then CT. Okay. Now we have many figures that we can make using repeat command, like hexagon, pentagon, octagon. I am going to draw pentagon. Okay. So pentagon we have how many sides? 5 sides. So for that, write repeat then 5, then opening square bracket and command you have to write one forward, one to move forward, one step, and then move the turtle. Then FD space suppose 100, and then RT space how much angle you are going to take? That is 360 divided by number of sides. Here number of side is 5, that why I have written 360 divided by 5. Now close the bracket, square, this is square bracket. Okay. And now execute the command. This is the pentagon desired figure. Okay. Now clear the screen and clear the text. Okay. Now you can try hexagon also. Repeat space, how many sides? 6, and then square bracket, FD 200, RT 360 divided by how many sides? 6, and close this bracket and execute it. See, this is the hexagon. I have made the bigger one. You can take 100 also, 50 also. Okay. Then you will get the smaller one. Okay. Now clear the screen, CS, and clear the text, CT. Now we are going to draw the circle. Circle के लिए क्या command थी? Repeat space, then number of sides कितनी लेते थे? That is 360. Sorry, 360. And then square bracket, FD space 1, RT space 1, and then close this bracket. Okay, and execute it. See, this is the circle. Okay. One more time, repeat 360, FD1, RT1. FD1, RT1 is the command that you are repeating 360 times. Okay. Now, if you want to draw the semicircle, you have to take half of 360, means 180. Just see, just clear this screen and then CT to clear the text. Now repeat space 180, then bracket, what you have to write? FD space 1, RT space 1, and close this bracket and see. This is the semicircle. One more time, execute the same command. Repeat 180, FD1, RT1. 2 semicircle makes a circle. So this is your desired figure. In this way you can use repeat command to draw the different figures. You practice more and more, you will be more comfortable with the logo. Okay, that's all for today. Keep practicing. Have a nice day.